In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a gift aid claim in Gift Aid Recorder. Log in to Gift Aid Recorder. From the Gift Aid menu, select Gift Aid Claims. Click the Create Gift Aid Claim button. A dialog appears where you can specify a claim to date. Gift Aid Recorder will compile a claim of all qualifying donations up to and including this date. Choose a date and click Create. The claim is completed as a background task. You may have to wait a few moments for the task to complete. Progress is displayed in the status column. When the task is completed, the progress bar will be replaced by a green View button. Click the View button to open the claim and preview the contents. For a specific donation to be included in the claim, the donor account must show a valid gift aid declaration, and in the case of retail gift aid, where applicable, the notification of additional sales process must have completed. Click Download to download the claim as an HMRC compliant ODS spreadsheet, which can be submitted online via the Government Gateway. Once you have submitted the claim, return to this page to mark the claim submitted. Marking the claim submitted disables the delete button. Before the claim is marked as submitted, it is possible to delete the claim from Gift Aid Recorder and assign the affected donations to a new claim. Having marked the claim submitted and received the funds, you can return once again to this page to mark the claim received. That completes this lesson on creating a gift aid claim with Gift Aid Recorder. Thanks for watching.